Another busy day. We're going to start things off here at 5 with the numbers. As of right now, 65 confirmed cases in Michigan.
And that's 12 additional cases from yesterday. Here's just the top lines of what, as Devin said, has been an extremely busy day of news. One of the new cases is a second resident of the All Seasons of West Bloomfield Senior Living Facility. Also, we've now learned of Wayne County's first potential exposure location. It happened March 10th at the AMC Fairlane 21 Theaters in Dearborn.
And now we're learning new information about the people who have actually contracted coronavirus. And for that, we bring in our Dr. Frank McGeorge. Doc?
Yeah, Kim and Devin, actually, I've learned those patients' age ranges age 5 to age 92. Now, 58% are male, and Oakland County has the most cases with 16. Testing is clearly ramping up in Michigan as well as across the country, and an FDA decision, it clears the way for even more options.
All states can now authorize tests developed and used within their borders in addition to the FDA.
That announcement will help bring tests to more people. But Dr. Anthony Fauci cautioned it's measures like staying home and social distancing that are critically important right now.
We tend to think that we're not going to be able to mitigate or contain without testing. They complement each other in some respects, but they're separate channels. Even if we had no testing, we should be doing what we're doing now.
That's why they're urging people to spread the word, not the virus.
Let's do everything that we can to ensure that we don't need the ventilators because we protected the people who would have needed to use them.
Asking everyone to cancel non-essential procedures.
To the hospitals and dentists out there, things that don't need to be done over the next 2 weeks, don't get it done. If you're a person with an elective surgery, you don't want to go into a hospital right now.
And cautioning we won't know how well it's working for some time.
It probably would be several weeks and maybe longer before we know whether we're having an effect. It may be at the end of the day, we'll see a curve that would have been way, way up.
And the administration not ruling out more drastic measures.
And are you looking at the possibility of more actions like, for example, limiting travel within the United States? Are you looking
It's possible. It's possible. We'll see how it goes.
Now locally, Henry Ford Health System has begun in-house testing on currently hospitalized patients as well as healthcare workers with results that are expected within 24 hours. They are also offering testing for outpatients at drive-through locations, and those tests will be sent to an outside lab with results expected to about 4 to 5 days. Now, Beaumont Health has also started processing a limited number of tests in their own laboratory, allowing doctors to get results for certain patients in hours instead of days.
Yeah.
And a case with a 5-year-old, which we've said tougher maybe for kids to get it, but they're not immune.
Exactly. This is clear evidence that, as we've always known, children can get the illness. We do not know the condition of this 5-year-old, to be clear, and it's quite possible this may have been a family contact of someone that was also positive.
Okay. Doc?